Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be going to learn about advanced conditional formatting, usage and its features. If you can see my screen, I have set 3 examples. First example is highlighting one column value. That is, with the help of formulas and the feature we will be going to use, if we place the product over here, it will highlight in this column which products are of similar nature. Let's suppose if I put in here mobile, the mobile will get selected. For example, this one and this one, wherever the mobile is present in the list. The other example is highlighting entire record. That is, if we put in the product in here with the help of a formula, the entire product will be highlighted. That is, its code, quantity and amount. Another example is highlighting row and column at the same time, like the column for which the code wants to be selected. I have given 2 countries here, so it will select the column which country product I am talking about, and highlighting its row, the product values as well, that is codes, quantity and amount, by placing my product in here with the help of a formula. So let's get started. I have listed different products in here that will call out its reference in this cell with the help of a formula. Now let's start with this selecting column. I have selected all of the product and I will go to the Home tab, and in Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and you can see New Rule option. We will select New Rule option. It displays a lot of options, but the reference we want to give is use a formula to determine which cell to format. We will select this one. A formula bar will appear. We will select the top cell of the selected column, that is this. In this, we will remove the $sign, which is not necessary and used for reference point only. Then is equals to again, and we will select this one. We will let remain the values, $signs in this as it is. And now we will select the format option. In format option, you will see different tabs of numbers, font, border if you want to change. It totally depends upon you. Let's select the color, this one, light orange, and press OK. Here you can see the preview as well, how your selected text or selected option will look like. So OK. Here you can see the highlighted product I have mentioned in here is camera, and it has been highlighted over here. Let's suppose that we change the product, making it mobile. Enter. Now you can see the product where mobile is located, it has been selected. That cell has been selected. You can set another example of perfumes. Enter. You can see that the perfume where it is located has been selected. So you can call out your product as per your requirement. Another example is highlighting entire record. Means that if I highlight the product in here mobile, the entire record will be selected along with the codes, quantity and amount. In this example, I have used the same chart as I have used on the above. So for this, what we're going to do is selecting the whole record, that is this, going to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and going to New Rule, the same method as we have done in the previous example. Going to the same option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. We will select this, a formula bar will appear. Now how will we put the formula is equals to and select this one. For the above examples, we have removed the $sign on both the sides, but for this one we will remove the $sign from here only. And then again, this means that it has locked the entire record, entire column. Now is equals to and selecting this one where we'll be putting our data to call it out. and selecting the format so that it highlights it, which is very necessary. Let's say suppose we have selected this color. Okay, the preview is also available, as you can see, and press OK. You can see that I have written over here mobile, which is already written, and the entire record has been selected, including the codes, quantity and amount, along with the serial numbers, as I have selected it. Now let's suppose you change it to camera. Enter. The entire record for the cameras, where the camera is stored in the cells, it has called it out with its entire record. Again, we can have a look. Let's say laptop. Enter. Where the laptop is appearing, it's selecting its entire record. So this was the second example how you can use advanced conditional formatting when selecting your or calling out your records when you have thousands of records or have numerous numbers. Now here is the third example in which we will be highlighting row and column at the same time. In the previous examples in the first example we have done highlighting the rows only, and then we have another example we have done the entire record. Now in this we will highlight the row and column at the same time using the same formula and methodology. So now for this we will select these countries so that we can call out these countries that will highlight the complete column, and we will call the product in here which will highlight the row itself. So we will select this and then go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and then selecting the same option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Writing the formula is equals to selecting this product row, product column, and then we will remove the $sign from this thing, the rows, to make the column fix for the product, and is equals to select this cell where we will call the product, and then format it. We will format it with different color for the rows and the columns so that we can differentiate it easily and see the difference between them. So let's say we'll selecting this color. Okay, you can see the preview, and okay, one more thing, you can also see the selected cell name over here, so you can correlate it that you are doing it right. Okay, for the mobile options it has been selected these things. Now for the countries we have the cells are already been selected. We will do the same thing, going to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, selecting the same option and then writing it, the formula. Now we will select the country, and in this we will remove the $sign from the column, making the columns fixed for these three countries, and the $3 will remain same for all of these countries. Now is equals to, and selecting the cell where we'll be calling out the country name, this thing. Format it, select different color. So let's say we selecting this color. Okay, you can see the preview. Again you can verify the cell name over here, and okay. So if you, let's say if you want to call out Malaysia, this complete row is selected. Let's say you call out for Pakistan, this complete row will be selected. So this is how you can use this method also to call out the rows and functions, column functions simultaneously. Now what if you want to clear the formatting? Simply selecting this, you can, instead of selecting all of this, you can simply click in here, this option. It will select the entire worksheet, and then you can go to Conditional Formatting and Clear Rule. You can select any option, it's the same thing. So let's say clear rules for entire sheet, and here you go, all of the rules has been cleared, it has been formatted. So this was all for today's lecture. Keep watching my videos And again, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, hit the like button and press on the notification icon so you can receive all of my lectures and stay updated. Keep watching and keep practicing.